and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. And this time we're in the forest in the Catskills, the Moto Camping Club headquarters, and I'm about to build my tent, and then I'm gonna chop up some trees. This over here is the flattest spot I got. Unfortunately, I'm on this trail, this private land. This is a nice flat spot under this tree here. Should be okay. And then this tree here is the one I've been chopping, and this is gonna be my firewood for the night. I brought a chainsaw on my bike. I'll show you the bike later, it's down there. So yeah, I brought a chainsaw, so I'm just gonna fucking chainsaw this, make about 2 dozen logs, and I think that should be enough for the night. But too soon for that. First we have to build a tent. I like to build my tent first because I could work on the firewood first, but I actually want to build the tent first, and that way I can forget about it. And I need my hatchet for the stakes. Bam bam. Mandatory beer. I obviously built the chair first because that's how I do. All right, so put it right here so it's not in the sun. Boom. Tarp. There is a tiny chance of rain today. Not tonight, but right now it's about 2:30 p.m. and the rain will come around 5 o'clock. So that should be interesting. So I'm gonna put it right here, right over here. That way it's not that way it's on a flat spot. I forgot which way my tent goes. Yeah, that should be fine. Just put it right over here. Obviously, a place like this would really benefit from a hammock setup. So I think I'm actually gonna try that as well next time, because there's just so many trees, you know, because I could hook up a hammock 10 different places and it would be nice and easy and simple. But today we're doing a tent. So here we go. This is our little bag. Put it in my pocket because surprisingly these things are easy to lose. And then we got our tent. I haven't used this tent in a while because I have this is a 2-person tent, and I usually use a 1-person tent. But today I was like, you know what, let's be luxurious. Let's you know, spread out. And I rode this morning, left the city around 8 o'clock. I'm actually gonna put that inside of there. I always put everything inside the same bag. But you know, trying to decide. I'm gonna put it this way, and I'm not too worried about nighttime because I actually bought this badass headlamp that I'm very much excited to try. So I'm looking forward to the darkness actually, but that's not coming for about 6 more hours. And for food, I got some sausages, which I will show later. So we got this, we got that. Next, we got the poles. Easy peasy. It's gonna be pretty far from the fire, but at the same time, doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter because it's not gonna be cold tonight, you know what I mean? The temperature tonight will be 65 degrees. Well, maybe, you know what, it might be a little bit lower, maybe like 58, but either way the temperature is perfect. And I don't really need to even stake down my tarp. particularly. I will, maybe, but it's not gonna be windy here. It's not windy here at all. I do wish, I do need a tarp, because if it does rain, I'd like to set it up over the fire pit, but we shall see. Oh boy, we got trees, sticks, all sorts of things in the way. All right, so now we take this and we'll put it in here. We'll take this, slide it across. Where's the little metal piece? There we go. We'll put this in the end here, just like so. I brought a bunch of, I brought my iPad. I know, it's fucking lame. You guys are gonna make fun of me, but I actually do enjoy watching a movie in the middle of the night by a fire. And right now there's that show on Netflix called Alone. And I don't know if you heard of it, but it's about camping, basically. Well, survival. And yeah, I think it'd be perfect. I'll hit the spot by myself in the middle of nowhere. Boom. So after I set up the tent, that's when I'm gonna stake it down for, I don't know why, don't really need to, but I will. I'll stake it down. Seems like a hot ticket. And I'm definitely gonna roll down the hill, but it is what it is. Like that. This one is twisted. And like that. Boom. Boom. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous job. Keep meaning to bring my new stakes, because I got these crappy old ones here. I actually have a bunch of cool new ones, but I do like to use up things. I do like to get full use out of an item before I upgrade or get something new or different. So, alright. I'm gonna move it as far back that way as possible, so that way in the middle of the night when I come out, I don't fucking roll down the hill. Alright, that's pretty good. So we'll just stake it down here. We'll use this loop here, and this, plus this ground is probably super soft, I'd imagine. It's either super soft or there's a big ass rock. There's no in between around here. It's pretty good. Alright. Alright. Here we go. So we take this over here, put it through this loop, and put the tarp through it as well. And of course there's a rock, but we persevere. Gorgeous. We're a little bit off the tarp here, but I don't think we're gonna freak out too much about it. I'm gonna do the back one first, just because that way we'll stretch the tent out, just like so. There we go. Gorgeous. The big ass rock right here. I can feel it. Ah, damn it. I'll be able to get in there. The bugs are bugging. I don't know if you can tell, but they're freaking everywhere. There we go. I soaked myself with 2 different bug sprays. But whatever. Guess I'll put the one for the tarp here. Yeah, see, it's getting dark. Trust me, it's like 80 degrees. It's hot, but it feels like, it looks like it's gonna freaking rain, which I'm pretty positive it will not. Dope. All right, sure. Put one here in this tarp, just to keep it from sliding around. There we go. All right, we don't really need the hatchet anymore. Boom. Keep all this organized. That way when you're breaking down, you know where all the little bigs are. Could have spread it out more. I made it more tall than wide, which is exactly, which way does this motherfucker go? I always forget. Okay, good. Which is what I want. I want it to be tall, not wide, because it's a narrow space. Did I do it wrong? God, I haven't done this in a minute. Where is the gosh darn door? Oh yeah, I did do it wrong. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be a problem. Goes around this way. Those are, them's is windows. Them's is doors. There we go. Cool. So now we just take this, clip it here. This thing will spin around, clip it down. Oh yeah, we are gonna need a couple more stakes just to spread the back part here and the front. Normally this you would stake out like that, so the way you have like a nice door to enter into, but we're not gonna do that because there's no room. There's no fucking room there. You know what I mean? So there we go. This, and these things we pop open, little windus, a little window, if you know what I mean. And then we do this. Bum bum. I will stake out the back though, because that does not need to be like that. All right, open. We'll pop the little window open. Beautiful. So now we can open this, and we will open the inside window. The inside window. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. The window. Oh, that's a nice tent. I forgot how nice this big tent is. I'm all about minimalism and small kit. So this tent just does not make sense often, you know, because I don't want to drag it around because it's big on the little monster. But there we go. Gonna go like this, go like that, and I'm actually just gonna take it down like that. Boom. All right, well, the tent is done. So here we go. Bring this back over here. I guess all this could like probably live by the tent over there, to be honest, but it's okay. Let me grab some water. Very important. Oh, my beer is gonna be warm as shit, but what you gonna do? All right, sleeping bag. I mean sleeping bag, sleeping pad. Like this. Yeah. There we go. Let's blow this bitch up. This always makes me dizzy, but it's the best part. For a second I thought maybe it was letting out air, but it isn't. It isn't. Next, we got the pillow by Climate. Tiny little pillow, only weighs 64 grams, 2.25 ounces. Shit is truly small. Bing! So I used to bring 2 of these just because, I don't know. There we go. That's the pillow. And last but not least is the sleeping bag. The fucking flies are bugging me out, bro. They suck today. They really do suck. Hopefully they don't have coronavirus. That would be the worst. It's like my thing isn't... The sleeping bag is too warm. I should have brought my other one. I didn't think. Damn. Yeah, because this one is down to like freaking 20 degrees or something. 20 degrees. I fucked up. I fucked up. Alright. Here we go. Now we just put this over here. And then we take a sleeping bag. Sleeping pad. And then we got this. And one thing I always do, and I always mention, I unzip the bag now. Because in the middle of the night, it's a punk bitch. It's not fun. Alright, which way are we? Oh, there we go. It's beautiful. There we go. There we go. Air this bitch out. And yeah. Now I'm gonna take everything Oh, you're asking where my helmet is and my jacket? It's all by my bike. Because I trust that it won't be stolen over there, which is nice. Alright, so all these things, hatchet will leave here, but this can certainly go over there. Bug spray, we shall leave out here. But everything else, we also got toilet paper and wet ones. That's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. All right, this we'll take over there. And then we got a couple of other things. I'm just gonna go through my bag, see what I got, see what I need, see what I don't, and then everything will be basically put in the tent. And this right here, I put here because when you gotta poop, you know exactly where that stuff is. Because last thing you want to do is be looking for fucking toilet paper at 4 in the morning in the forest. You know, that wouldn't be fun at all. All right, let's see what else we got. I got this whole backpack full of shit, and I don't even know what's in there. All right, we got our we got our frying pan, the gloves, got a rag, then we got seasonings and spices, coffee, got a little stove. Good. What's going on in here? Right, we got our cables, which we will need. We got our Skittles, which we will definitely need. We got our this and that. All right, cool. All right, I don't even know what's in here. We got some tools in here, obviously, and whatnot. All right. Here we got batteries for the GoPro and that. Okay, cool. So all these bags I'm gonna put by this too. I'm gonna put it all by the tent. I always organize a way because these are waterproof, so truth be told, if they want to get wet, they can get wet. I don't care. And where? Let me put that over there. Yeah, these bags at night, I'm gonna put them under the tarp, and you know, whatever happens to them happens. Sweet. We got the gloves. Here we got the little speaker, which I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use. Oh, I forgot my Opinel. Damn, I forgot my good knife. It's okay. This is my headlight. Good. And then a little tripod piece. Got my little lighter. Might be useless. And these are little blocks for lighting up the fire. It's a little bit of a mess here. I don't like it. I usually like a super clean, organized situation. So I think I might, you know, I'm gonna cut the video short, and I'll rejoin with you guys when I'm gonna start chopping wood, and then starting the fire, cooking some sausage, yada yada.